Hey everyone, Golden Ninja 3000 here again. Thanks to some users on Eurobricks, we now have information about the rest of the summer 2021 Harry Potter sets. We're still missing details on two of them, but 76391, the new direct-to-consumer set, will be a Hogwarts chess set for $250. 76392 will be a buildable Fawkes in the same style as Hedwig for $60, and 76393 will be buildable characters for $120. Now, I have to be honest here. When I heard that they were doing like legacy style Harry Potter sets for the main summer wave, I thought that was a little bit odd, but still cool because it's 20 years of Harry Potter. However, that coupled with the news about these sets has just left me kind of disappointed. Like, all of this stuff costs so much money, and so to hear that a $250 set isn't the Gringotts expansion that we thought it would be, and instead it's just a large chess set, that's kind of lame to me. I don't know why a chess set has to cost $250. That seems ridiculous, honestly. Lego chess sets cost like $50 to like $70. So I don't really see why they couldn't have made a giant one for like 100 to 150. It may connect to like the legacy Hogwarts sets coming out this year, but I'm not 100% sure about that. A buildable Fawkes is really cool. I'm totally fine with that. I like the Hedwig that they made. But buildable like minifigures just sounds weird. Like, Lego has tried making stuff like that in the past, and I don't see how they're going to do two in a $120 set. And I think it's going to be Harry and Hermione, which is just kind of an odd choice because, like, why leave Ron out? So overall, I'm really not thrilled, to be honest. I like the idea of the legacy sets, but these are just disappointing. I don't like that we have to wait another year to complete our Diagon Alley. It's absolutely ridiculous that they didn't include Gringotts in the first place, but it was understandable if they were going to come out with one this year, and now they're not. So it's also disappointing that there's no Deathly Hallows sets. So I don't know. I'm still excited for the summer wave, but my excitement's decreased a lot since finding out this news. But that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys with more videos soon. Bye for now.